So you've heard that a lead magnet is a central element of a lead generation system, and you're wondering what a lead magnet is in marketing. Well, no problem, because I will be answering that question today. Hey, Mario Blanco here. In today's episode, I'm going to be explaining what a lead magnet is and what it can do for your business. I'll start by giving you the 3 traits a good lead magnet needs to have. Then I'll cover what is the key step you need to take to create a lead magnet. Before creating any lead magnet, you need to understand that key step. And last, I will be giving you 3 ways in which a lead magnet can help your business. So let's dive into it. A lead magnet is a piece of content that you create to attract leads to your business, to your online business. The idea is that the lead magnet is a vehicle to deliver value to your potential customers. And if you're wondering what are the 3 traits of a good lead magnet, is the first one is that it has to solve an immediate need for your future customer, for your leads. So let's say that your leads need to write better headlines. You create something around that. The lead magnet can have different formats. It can be a PDF checklist, it can be a Word document, it could be a video. It's different formats and ways of delivering that value. But first trait is making sure that your lead magnet solves an immediate need. Then, as a second trait, your lead magnet needs to create desire, in the sense that after they use the lead magnet, they need to want more. So how do you do that? Well, your lead magnet could be solving step number 1 of a sequence of steps, or your lead magnet could be giving the what but not the how, and then you would explain the how later on. So it's just delivering a part of an incomplete solution that then will lead to you reaching out to deliver more value. So that was trait number 2. And trait number 3 is that it has to sell. So your lead magnet, at the end of the day, what you want is to use it to attract new customers. So they have to become, at the end of the day, they have to become customers. So that lead magnet could be attracting your leads to a final process where you will be offering, after that lead magnet, you will be offering an upsell, a one-time offer, and then they can become a customer of your business. So, but it has to entice them to go as far as that. So the lead magnet needs to sell. Just before going into the key step before creating your lead magnet, I'd like to know, I'm curious, have you tried to create something and you didn't know it was a lead magnet? It was a piece of content, but you didn't know that was called a lead magnet. Just let me know in the comments of this episode. I'm curious to know, because I can deliver more value to you around that. So going back to the second topic I wanted to cover today, it's the key step you need to take before creating the lead magnet. So the lead magnet, in essence, it's value you deliver to your leads. And in order for your content to be value for them, you need to understand what is it that they value. And if you don't understand that, then you won't be delivering value to them. It will be value to you, but maybe not to them. So, and the best way to understand your leads are your customers, your ideal customer, what I call the dream customer, the best way of understanding that is just creating a profile, an ideal customer profile. And well, I'm excited to be able to share with you a free resource I have, which is a Dream Customer Discovery Pack. So if you go to the description of the episode, I will have a link where you can get hold of this free resource. It's a pack. It's got a number of elements, but the key element is a wizard. It's a tool that will take you through a series of questions, and once you have answered all those questions, you will have a very detailed and precise set of traits of your ideal customer, and then you can create value for him. Hey, if you find this content helpful, why not hitting the subscribe button? Every week I'm releasing new episodes and more content, so you want to make sure you don't miss them. So going to the third topic I wanted to cover today in today's video, I wanted to give you the 3 ways a lead magnet can help your online business. Well, the first one is the lead magnet can help you nurture your leads, and that will help you in turn to increase conversion, because when you deliver value through your lead magnets and you establish a relationship with your leads where they know you and they really trust you and they like you, then you will be increasing conversion rates. So that's one way in which by nurturing you will be getting massive benefit from this lead magnet. Another way you can use your lead magnet in your online business is to qualify your leads. So let's say that you had a lead magnet focusing on creating better headlines. Well, those leads that have used whatever content you created about improving the headlines, you know that you can then later on sell them something around copywriting, for example. You have qualified them. So the lead magnet has effectively filtered of those who are not interested or who are interested in different topics. You have filtered out all those, and you are coming up with a list of let's say leads that are interested in headlines, meaning that copywriting potentially could be of interest to them. So that's the second way a lead magnet can help your business. And the third way the lead magnet can help your business is just by increasing your sales. It's just as simple as getting new customers to your business, because the lead magnets could entice your leads to go into a funnel where they consume the free elements, they consume the lead magnet, and you could be having in your process, you could have in an upsell where you're offering more. So as I was saying earlier on, you could have that lead magnet as a way of enticing those interested in copywriting, and then you can have as an upsell, as a one-time offer, a crash course in increasing conversion. Well, that could be potentially, or it could be in a crash course for copywriting. So that's a way you use a lead magnet to help your business. So through that process, you have come up with qualified leads that are becoming customers. So that's the third way in which they will help you to grow your business. And that was it for today. I'll see you soon in the next episode. God bless.